This video is brought to you by sumsbrand.com, my online store for original art, prints, and graphic tees. And as always, use that discount code SUMS for 10% off your entire order. Get my bearings together. All right, so we're walking through Brooklyn, headed through our next shoot with Momo Pixels. If you're not familiar with Momo Pixels, just Google the game Hair Nah. She's a dope artist, singer, multi-talented and multifaceted person, colorful human being, pun intended. So today I'm planning to shoot with these colorful framed, the color spectrum Polaroid pack I have today, but I also have some black frames on me. It's kind of overcast today. We're trying to beat the rain, and you know, it's not a whole lot of light. So typically digitally I'd be like, yeah, that's cool. But today I think I would want a lot of light, a lot of bright light to just really make everything pop. But we're gonna see what we get. I think she's gonna have some blue, maybe some pink, purple. I'm guessing that's the palette, just off of you know, her IG page and her game. It's like a palette I see all the time when I look at her social feed. So I'm expecting that. It might not be that, but we're gonna see. Supposed to be shooting outside today, but we're getting hit with the drops. Trying to think about a game plan, trying to think about a plan B. All right, so the rain is kind of trying to fake come down, but I see a blue wall, and I think I guessed right for the color palette. So we're gonna see how this does.
But you don't have to like put this on the floor.
Yeah, no, look, I know about purses on the floor. I know about that. I'm gonna go with the black today, just because it's kind of gloomy a little bit.
Don't get the shoes. The shoes is ugly. Everything else is nice. You know what I'm saying? You even got the stockings. Don't get the shoes. Step out into the rain.
Let's push the limit right here in this spot. Cool. How long have you had your locks blue for?
Blue for some minutes now. Years, I don't know. I used to change it different colors, but blue seems to be like a good base. And it's super calming, and I can like, it matches, blue I feel like matches anything that I do. Whereas like when I used to do other stuff, I couldn't necessarily match it. Then again, blue and forest green ain't that sexy. But it be looking good in the clothes.
I have a little teacup shorts. You can see my stockings? No. Oh, I forgot your ass is there.
So this one, yeah, that's perfect. All right, after this rain car. Damn, that car came around the corner quick. All right, so. Look. Ah! Yes. Out here playing Frogger in the street, trying to get these cars.
Oh, that guy's getting in the car. Okay.
Guys getting in the car? Okay, cool. So, All right, no flash for this one. I'm gonna do no flash. Like that is perfect. Yep. I lied. I definitely lied.
Not good.
I mean, yep. You can do some more of that.
Okay, what do you want to do?
All right, so I think, yeah, bring it down some. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2. We will find out in 15 minutes. All right, so you see we had to throw on the raincoat. It did start to rain. So we switched the location from outside to inside. The first shot we did was on that blue wall. Momo had on blue and white ensemble. It was dope. And that was the first thing I saw. And just trying to think quick to get something before it rained down too hard. That was a good spot to us to start on. Ended up going inside after that and got some shots on her blue bed by the window. Nice minor comedic situation going on, so I liked how that came out. And we finally got outside and got our Singing in the Rain on in the middle of the street. Shout out to the iridescent umbrella. This shoot is a part of the Days of Polaroid series. You can watch more right here on this channel by subscribing and hitting that bell for alerts. You can follow me on Instagram at Bryon Summers and more on BryonSummers.com. A huge thank you to everyone who contributed to this project, from friends to family. Without your help, this series wouldn't be possible. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next shot.
Oh, is this the vlog?
Yep.